Hey guys, so a lot of times what I've seen is clients come to me saying that when they're trying to send out marketing emailers, those emailers are getting sent through domains like HubSpot.net or HubSpot3.net or anything which is not their own business's domain ID. So this normally happens because you haven't configured your email sending domain. And when you've not done that, HubSpot, in order to ensure that your emails get delivered to your prospects inbox, they use the HubSpot.net domain for sending it out. And it's a very simple process. If you want to change that and want to have your own domain as the email sending domain. So all you need to do over here is go to settings, click on content, click on domains and URLs. And over here, now if you see at the bottom, it says email sending domains. So what we need to do is just connect the email sending domain. So I'll put in this domain for this example.com. Click on next. It gives you this saying that email will be sent out with this domain name, HubSpot simplified, instead of the HubSpot.net domain. Again, confirm. And now if you see, we would need to configure the DKIM, SPF, and DMARC over here. And it's very easy to do that as well. I just need to click on sign in. So it will just detect everything and it'll try setting things up by after you log in through Hostinger. But what I'd suggest is click on yes leave and set it up manually because it's very easy to do that. So when you click on set it up manually, you then need to click on it. And over here, if you see, there's DKIM, there's SPF, there's DMARC. So all of these have these things called record type, post, and the required data. And it's similar for DKIM and DMARC. For me, it's configured. So I'll show you how to do it for SPF as well. And again, very easy. You know the host over here, you know the record type, and you know what's required. So you need to go to your domain provider. So over here, for me, it's Hostinger, and go to DNS name servers. So over here now, if you see, the record type is txt, the host is @, and this is the required data. So over here, if you go, the type over here, like we saw in the previous screen, txt, the name would be the host, and the txp value would be this particular value, which you need to paste over here, and then click on add record. You do not need to play around with the TTL. It's okay to keep it as is. And in case you have your DKIM and DMARC also not configured, you can add those as well. The records, HubSpot will already give it to you over here. Like it gave me for SPF, it will give you for these both as well. And then you just need to add those records over here. And that is it. Your email sending domain would be configured. And from the next time onwards, whenever you're sending out marketing emailers, it will go out from your email sending domain, the one which you've configured, rather than the HubSpot.net domain. So that was it for this video. Very easy process, but yeah, very useful because it allows you to create a proper brand when sending out your emails. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.